If fast travel is disabled and your character keeps getting tired or hungry in the Elder Scrolls The Firth, Skyrim Survival Mode is likely turned on. Let me show you how to turn it off easily. First, pause the game and open the main menu. Go to Settings. Inside Settings, select Gameplay. Scroll down until you find Survival Mode. Now, toggle Survival Mode off. Once it's disabled, the changes apply immediately. No restart required. After turning it off, several things return to normal. Fast travel works again. No hunger, fatigue, or cold penalties. Carry weight limits become normal if you don't see Survival Mode in the menu. Make sure you're playing the Special Edition or Anniversary Edition of Skyrim. The original version doesn't include it. Also, you must be out of combat to change this setting. If enemies are nearby, clear the area first. Exit the menu, open your map, and test fast travel to confirm it's working. That's it. You can turn Survival Mode back on anytime using the same steps.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.